What you do every day. Watch Tom's daily routine from morning to night. First, you will hear the question, what does he do every day? Think about it and see the answer right after each clip.
What does he do every day?
He wakes up. He wakes up.
What does he do every day?
He gets up. He gets up.
What does he do every day?
He has breakfast. He has breakfast.
What does he do every day?
He washes the dishes. He washes the dishes.
What does he do every day?
He brushes the teeth. He brushes the teeth.
What does he do every day?
He takes his dog for a walk. He takes his dog for a walk.
What does he do every day?
He goes running in a park. He goes running in a park.
What does he do every day?
He takes a shower. He takes a shower.
What does he do every day?
He waters the plants. He waters the plants.
What does he do every day?
He gets dressed. He gets dressed.
What does he do every day?
He leaves home. He leaves home.
What does he do every day?
He arrives at the office. He arrives at the office.
What does he do every day?
He starts work. He starts work.
What does he do every day?
He sends some emails. He sends some emails.
What does he do every day?
He checks his cell phone messages. He checks his cell phone messages.
What does he do every day?
He has lunch with his coworkers. He has lunch with his coworkers.
What does he do every day?
He takes a nap. He takes a nap.
What does he do every day?
He goes back to work. He goes back to work.
What does he do every day?
He finishes work. He finishes work.
What does he do every day?
He leaves the office. He leaves the office.
What does he do every day?
He goes home by subway. He goes home by subway.
What does he do every day?
He works out in a gym. He works out in a gym.
What does he do every day?
He cooks dinner. He cooks dinner.
What does he do every day?
He has dinner with his family. He has dinner with his family.
What does he do every day?
He studies Chinese. He studies Chinese.
What does he do every day?
He watches TV. He watches TV.
What does he do every day?
He reads a book. He reads a book.
What does he do every day?
He goes to bed. He goes to bed. Now watch the same scenes again, but this time with no subtitles. Do you understand them all now? Write down what you hear. So watch, listen, and write. He wakes up. He gets up. He has breakfast. He washes the dishes. He brushes the teeth. He takes his dog for a walk. He goes running in a park. He takes a shower. He waters the plants. He gets dressed. He leaves home. He arrives at the office. He starts work. He sends some emails. He checks his cell phone messages. He has lunch with his coworkers.
He takes a nap.
He goes back to work. He finishes work. He leaves the office. He goes home by subway. He works out in a gym. He cooks dinner. He has dinner with his family. He studies Chinese. He watches TV. He reads a book. He goes to bed. You've just learned some common daily routines and the present tense in the third person. So now you can talk about what other people usually do on a daily basis. In order to review it, remember to watch this class again tomorrow. Congratulations on your effort. Please write in the comments below what you think about this topic. Thank you and see you next class.